MuteX soundproofing treatment, the easiest and most cost-effective way to quiet a room. MuteX works best as an acoustic insulator when it's applied to the bare studs. In new construction, do this after the building has been framed and wired, but before the drywall is installed. MuteX can be applied with staples or adhesives. In this example, we're using 3M double-sided tape. With the adhesive exposed, you are now ready to apply MuteX. MuteX has a poly-weave surface that absorbs and diffuses sound, and an airtight resin backing that stops sound. If MuteX were being applied to both sides of these studs, we'd face the poly-weave sides of the material towards each other to take advantage of the air chamber that would naturally form inside the wall. However, in this example, we want conversations in this conference room to be confidential, so the poly-weave surface faces the source of the sound. Standard rolls of MuteX are 30 feet long and 5 feet wide. 2 rolls should cover most walls from floor to ceiling. At just 4 ounces per square foot, MuteX is a fraction the weight of other materials, so it can be installed without a lot of effort or manpower. When you get to this stage, you will notice an immediate and dramatic change in the room's acoustics. If you're applying MuteX to the surface of an existing wall, not only will MuteX improve the isolation, but also make the room less reverberant, giving you a cleaner sound in listening or recording environments, such as studios and home theaters. But if your goal is privacy or quiet, as seen here, a layer of MuteX will decouple the wall from the stud that supports it. When sound vibrations hit the wall, MuteX acts as a shock absorber, preventing the energy from transmitting into the 2x4 and then into the wall in the adjoining room. As an added benefit to installers, MuteX will not bind around drywall screws. Also, MuteX gives your drywall screw something to grab if you miss the stud and need to back up and try again. MuteX meets ISO 3795 standards for fire safety. It has excellent sound transmission loss values, which gives it an industry-leading sound transmission coefficient of 32. And MuteX doesn't compress over time, so you can expect a lifetime of peace and quiet. MuteX. Soundproof everything.